Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at an example of graphing a rational function. For instance, if we have y equals, suppose we have x squared minus 6x plus 5, and all of this is over, say, x plus 2. Okay, so let's walk through the steps. First, write this as a polynomial with no division in it. We're going to factor the top as x minus 1, x minus 5. Then on the bottom, just bring that up, x plus 2. Okay, so thinking about this, we have leading term comes from multiplying leading terms together, x cubed. So we're looking down up. And we see that we're going to cross at, let's just draw this out, cross at -2, 1, and 5. Okay, so we're crossing at -2, 1, and 5, and we're going like this. Oh, and remember that we cannot cross the x-axis anywhere except at these portals, these doorways right here. It came from right here, places where that make the numerator denominator 0. So we have multiplicities of 1, so we're just shooting through each time. Okay, so this is what we're going to start working with. Now the next step is to get end behavior asymptote. So to get the end behavior asymptote, we do a division. So -2, 1, -6, 5, 1, -2, -8, 16, and we can just ignore what's there and just take this right here through doing that division right here from this into this. So okay, so this is just x minus 8, and it's y equals that. So y equals x minus 8. All right, so that means if we were to go all the way over here to the right, let's see, let's suppose this is 8. This is just this is just y equals x shifted to the right by 8, you could say. So I have a dotted line going like this. Now, maybe we should kind of change our picture a little bit to give us a little bit more room. Okay, so let's just do that for a second. Okay, so we have -2, and then we have a 1 and 5 and 8. I'll just kind of put all these close together. Okay, then you have this asymptote right here, this slant asymptote, the end behavior asymptote. So we've done our first okay, so we've done our first 2 steps here. So we've drawn this graph and we have the end behavior line. Great. Next, we look at vertical asymptotes. X plus 2 in the denominator. So what makes that 0 is -2. So this is going to become a vertical asymptote. So we'll draw that in. Now, how do we draw the rest of it? Well, we're going to keep our x-intercepts. And then notice when the graph starts to go, so as it goes out from these x-intercepts and needs somewhere to go, it's going to go toward the asymptote. So this is just going to go. Now, notice how this is pointing upward right here. So we're going to go toward the asymptote. Over here, you notice how this arrow is pointing down right here. Now we cannot cross this wall ever except at the portals, the asymptote or those 2 x-intercepts. So since we're right here and this arrow is pointed downward, means our picture is going to be in this area, but we have to go along the asymptotes. So we get our graph. Thanks for watching.